Hey guys, welcome to TechTree's tutorial. Today, we are going to talk about Generative Fill Photoshop Beta 3 ways to use Generative Fill. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. So as you can see, we're gone ahead and headed onto the Adobe Firefly website. So this is just like a beta onto using some of Adobe's feature. So you could actually use this feature onto the different Adobe platforms such as the Adobe Photoshop. So we're gonna leverage this tool in here, which is the generative fill, and we'll just go ahead and click onto generate so that we could use this. So we're just gonna go ahead and drag and drop it, the image that we're gonna use as a reference in here. So as you can see, it got and redirected us onto this page. So the first thing that we could do actually in here is to expand the image. So we're just gonna go ahead and do this, click onto the insert button in here, also onto the lower part, so that we could go ahead and expand a certain image. And then right after, we're just gonna go ahead and describe in here, expand, and click on the generate and let's wait for its generation. Now, as you can see, it has given us three options since it has expanded or extended the photo that we have in here. Now, another thing that we could do with generative fill as well is erasing something. So we could go ahead and try to erase something. Let's try out a new photo. And so I've gone ahead and choose this photo. We have the remove button in here. We could just go ahead and simply remove the certain flower that we have in here. And then right after, you'll just click on to remove. So it will give you some options as well onto what it would do next or what it will give us for another generation that it will replace the flower. So as you can see, it was not a big flower anymore. It has turned into a small flower and you'll have different options and you could click onto more to generate further. Then right after, for the last way that we could do onto generative fill is to transform. Now for us to be able to do that, we'll just click onto the insert button in here. So let's try to have this one remove out and let's try to insert in here or transform this one into a butterfly. So it would be best if it'd be more specific onto that. Let's add in pink butterfly and then let's click on to generate and let's try to see what it will give us. And as you can see, the flower has turned into a butterfly. That are the three ways to use generative fill. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment it down below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you onto our next video.